Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a specific repair part for the popular DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom drones. This is a replacement left front arm shell, designed to help get your drone back in the air if that particular arm has been damaged. It's important to note right away that this is just the shell assembly. It comes without the motor, so you'll need to transfer your existing motor or acquire one separately if yours is also damaged. The description mentions this is a used part, likely sourced from disassembled drones, which is common for these types of specific repair components. The material used for this arm shell is described as high quality, durable, and wear-resistant. For a part that's exposed on the exterior of the drone and subject to potential impacts or just general wear and tear from handling in flight, having a robust material is definitely a plus. It suggests the replacement should hold up well over time, assuming it's installed correctly. Speaking of installation, the information provided indicates that the part is easy to use and offers stable performance once fitted. However, there's a strong emphasis on being very careful during the installation process. Replacing a drone arm involves delicate connections and small screws, so taking your time and potentially watching some detailed repair guides online would be highly recommended for anyone attempting this fix themselves. If you're not comfortable with intricate electronics and small parts, it might be worth considering professional help. But for those who are, this part is presented as a viable option. A key benefit highlighted is the lightweight design. Drone performance is heavily dependent on weight distribution and overall mass, so a replacement part that doesn't add significant burden is crucial. The description assures that it does not affect the flight quality, which is exactly what you want from a repair part. You want the drone to fly just as it did before the damage occurred. This shell is intended to replace an old, broken, or non-working arm, restoring the drone's structural integrity and appearance. If you've had a crash or some other incident that damaged the left front arm shell, but the motor is still functional, this part seems like a direct solution. The manufacturer is listed as SYYZZ, and it's specified for the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom models. Remember, no batteries are included, as this is purely a structural and cosmetic replacement part for the arm itself. If you encounter any issues during the process, the seller suggests reaching out to them for support.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.